Qi, movement, classification, and genuine Qi. Qi can move in many ways, but these ways can be grouped in 4 basic patterns: ascending, descending, exiting, and entering. The Zangfu Viscera, the meridians, the tissues, and other organs are all places for Qi movement, and Qi movement is basic to the body's vital activities. Once Qi moving stops, the life comes to an end. Qi is the motive force that propels and stimulates many vital activities of the body, but its actions can be seen concretely only in the activities of the organs, tissues, and meridians. For example, the lungs' respiratory exhalation reflects Qi exiting, and inhalation its entering. The lungs' dispersion action reflects Qi ascending and depuration descending. The spleen and stomach are in charge of digestion. The spleen raises the clear, so it is healthy when its action is ascending. The stomach lowers the turbid, so it is harmonious when its action is descending. The coordination and equilibrium between these 4 basic types of movements is called the harmony of Qi mechanism. When this harmony of Qi is disturbed, the situation becomes one of disharmony of the Qi mechanism. There are many types of disharmony of the Qi mechanism. For example, failure of the lung in dispersion, depuration, and descending may lead to the sinking of spleen Qi, adverse ascent of stomach Qi, stagnation of liver Qi, or disharmony between the heart and the kidney. Comparison of genuine Qi, thoracic Qi, nutritive Qi, and defensive Qi. So for genuine Qi, our common point would be food essence as the respective composition. The formation is derived from innate Qi supplemented by acquired Qi. The distribution is throughout the body by Sanjiao. The actions, it promotes growth and development, stimulates functions of Zangfu Viscera and meridians. And the feature is the primary motive force for vital activities. Then we have the thoracic Qi. Common point is also food essence as their respective composition. Formation is combination of essence from food and fresh air. Distribution is upward towards the throat, running through the heart and lung, going down to the dantian, pouring into the stomach meridian. Its actions promotes lung respiration, energizes the heartbeat, regulates heart rate and rhythm. And its feature, its state, can be assessed by the pulsation of the apex of the heart. Now, the nutritive Qi is derived from the essence of drink and food. It is derived from essential Qi of food and drink. It circulates within blood vessels. It nourishes the whole body, and its feature is cream and softness. Now, the defensive Qi circulates outside blood vessels. It protects and warms body, maintains the body temperature, and it is vigorous, smooth, strong, with rapid flow. Genuine Qi is also called original Qi or primordial Qi. It is the most fundamental and important Qi of the human body and the primary motive force for the vital activities. For its formation and distribution, genuine Qi originates from the kidney through transformation of the kidney's innate essence. It also depends upon acquired essence from drink and food for supplemental nourishment. Following formation, it flows throughout the body via the Sanjiao, in the interior to the Zangfu Viscera, and in the exterior to the muscles and skin. It has actions in all parts of the body. The physiological actions. The principal actions of the genuine Qi are to promote growth and development of the body and to warm and stimulate the physiological activities of the viscera, the meridians, the tissues, and the organs. If genuine Qi is ample, then the Zangfu Viscera, the meridians, and the organs are vigorous in their activities, and the body has a strong constitution and is relatively free of disease. If genuine Qi is deficient because of insufficient innate endowment, inadequate postnatal acquisition, or damaged by prolonged illness, many illnesses may ensure. Thank you for your attention.